Rocky Mountain Power says it's preparing for high winds tomorrow, and they're expecting weather-related outages and damage to trees that could impact power lines. We know how that goes. They're asking you to treat all the downed wires as live and dangerous. They say they do have crews ready to respond to get the lights back on if needed.
What we're concerned about is debris getting into the lines, because that can cause an outage. And where that can cause an outage, it can take more time when you have something that has either caused a spark in the line, maybe breaks the line, as opposed to, the wind tripping it through our system.
Now, the Utah Department of Public Safety is asking drivers to be cautious while on the roads tomorrow. UDOT also says it may issue restrictions for high-profile vehicles like semi-trucks along I-15 and Legacy Parkway between Bountiful and Kaysville. Certain areas near Brigham City could be affected, too.
If you are traveling around high-profile vehicles, those vehicles may have those strong winds and have to react to those. So giving yourself that extra following distance in case they have to react to any type of hazard.
For those of us that are just driving around tomorrow, make sure that you have both hands on the steering wheel. Those wind gusts can come up and be very surprising sometimes. But there's also that chance that we'll see, debris that's flying around on the roads. I mean, you're talking about 75-mile-per-hour gusts. That has the potential of blowing a lot of things around.
It sure does, and we at ABC4 will be tracking those conditions for you very closely tomorrow.